What's going on today? We at Jesse's today. We had to come pick up this gas tank so we can get it over here to Kevin at Concept Solutions so they can go ahead and get that tank ready and get all the fuel lines ran and stuff. Jesse got some new stuff over here. I don't know what this is. It looked like they fucked over the paint. Blows everywhere. Motor. Damn, it's a lot of work around here.
Yeah, there are more on the way. This motherfucker lifted a skirt and found a dick.
Huh?
I said I lifted a skirt and found a dick.
Damn.
Took off all these fucking pieces and you see all the shit I had to replace because it was just rotted away. So I spent all day yesterday getting it tore down and ready to get the floor pan on and fixing little shit here and there. And this morning I came out and I couldn't let it go, so I had to cut it all off and redo it. So now I got it to where it's all right to get it all with the damn one step. Sorry, get it with one step so that way it kills all the damn rust. And then I'm gonna start building her back. But yeah.
What is this?
This is 64 Impala convertible, a Lolo. And this dude's making it a Lolo. He done sent this damn frame off to be reinforced with 1/4-inch steel all the way around. He sent it to a dude over in California, and he's gonna go through it and engrave the frame, the control arms, the rear end. Then he's gonna get it put on hydraulics and switches. He's gonna have baby D's on this bitch. It's gonna be sick, fucking gangster from the ground up.
This is trunk pan right here.
Nope, that is the mid pan. That's where the because the Impalas are so fucking long. So here's this floor pan. Then that pan goes, and that goes over where the rear end and the fuel cell goes. Fuel cell goes right here on this one. And then you got the trunk pan. That's wheel well. Yeah, that's the wheel well.
Tubers, what's up? It's the day after Labor Day. A lot of hard work been going on. I'm sore. They so we done made it up here to Concept. We done made it. Got baby sitting outside. They out here doing work today, boy. They got these trucks up here this week. They doing some vintage air type stuff on this. All this work done by Kevin. Install, dash, the vintage air. They putting a new switch in, I guess. Or he just added a new one. See what he look old. See what he looking like up under this hood. So he got a 350 in here. He line. LS swap by Kevin. got a little blowtorch. Ready cool radiator. And see how his headers look? Mine's not gonna look like that. I'm getting mine with the coat over it so it don't turn. We don't want none of that. It's a nice color on this dang car. This truck. Bed liner. I like that. It's neat right there. Worth something. Guys, y'all remember when we was stepping over that airbag dot frame, but they didn't have nobody on it? Well, the body's back on now. You remember that? You see all them pumps and stuff up under there. The same truck. Now they got that body back on there. Jesse finishing everything up. This console right there that sit on the floor. The airbags. Putting the brains for the LS all up here up under the dash. We're gonna get over there and have a look at the dashboard. This is what I want to see right here. This is what I want to see right here. Yeah. Coil over, he painted them boys red. That's what I want to see. Woo, look how Jesse got that blower. Look how that filter sitting up, making it like it's a display. Gotta be quiet for them so they don't know everything. Gotta be a surprise to them. Yeah, he got all this fire, all the tire finna taken off so you can see all the work on the frame. We got the coilovers on here. Man, look at the lower control arm. Yeah, we got it looking damn good. Wood wheel brake system. To the dish right there in the back. That's the thing that people don't understand. There's a lot of wiring going into adding stuff into these old cars and trucks. So you got to make sure you're getting the work done right, so you don't have any issues down the road. It's a nice steering column, aluminum. The gears and everything right there in there. Ooh, I want to hear it crank up. Go over here and see if we can get Kevin to crank it up. We just got to sit this right here for a second. Motor heads. Now y'all know exactly what we're looking at, right? This is a 6.2 liter LS supercharged with a high-rise intake. This is the bell housing for the supercharged. So the intake goes from down here all the way to up here. That's all the air building up to make this belt right here spin fast as it can go for sucking in all this air. It's gonna suck in from right up in here. Now this is Kevin's 6.2 supercharged LS going in this car. 1969 Camaro. This car is rare. New trunk lid, new flooring. Look at the ring. He's not playing any games. Kevin say when he done with this car, you're gonna have to come with 6 figures or better. He even has the aluminum steering column. Also, turn column to the racket pinion. A 1969 Camaro gonna handle just like a Dodge Charger or a Camaro. And this going in there. Gonna be pretty. Look at them headers. That's why I came to the best.